Hello everyone. The Point of Sale Quick Order app allows user to create and process the order with just a few clicks, making it an ideal solution for busy retail environment. User can enable the Point of Sale Quick Order options and set up the customers and payment methods. Also enable the options to auto create the invoice and create a Point of Sale Quick Order with a single click. Now let's complete the Point of Sale configuration. So for that we need to get into the settings. Under Point of Sale we can see an option named Enable Point of Sale Quick Order. We need to enable this option. After that we need to select an Point of Sale payment method as well as the customer to create a quick order. User can also enable and wants to create invoice option to automatically create an invoice for the quick order. Now after completing the configuration part we need to get into the Point of Sale and see how it actually works. Okay. Now let's open this session now. User can see an quick order, that is quick order button on the Point of Sale screen, and user just needs to add a product right away here in the cart and needs to click on the quick order button. Now on clicking on the quick order button, user can see the Point of Sale order receipt will not reflect the payment screen. Okay, it will automatically create and make the payment, and also it will automatically create an invoice. Let me check in the backend. So for that let me get back to the backend and let me get into the orders too. Okay, now in the orders we can see all the orders list. So user can see and created Point of Sale quick order in the backend with the selected customers as well as the products, and user can also see the Point of Sale quick order with the selected Point of Sale payment method which we have configured already. And user can also see the automatically created Point of Sale invoices if we have enabled the option named Want to create an invoice option. So in this way we can make use of this module to create a quick Point of Sale order with just a few clicks. Thank you for watching.